Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I think yesterday's video was nice. Now I'm starting with the part 2. Now let's start it. The sixth question. If 2132 is a matrix multiplied by A is equal to identity matrix, that is 1001, then the matrix A. This is of the form A inverse A is equal to I. A is a matrix. This is the inverse. A inverse into A is equal to I. This is the simple formula of the matrices chapter. Now they have given A inverse, that is 2132, and they have said that we have to find out what is A, and they have also given 1001. Now they have given A inverse. To convert A inverse to A, we should interchange the diagonal elements, that is these two. So these two are 2 and 2, so there is no change, 2 and 2, and we should change the sign of the non-diagonal elements, that is -1 and -3. So this becomes A. A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. This is in the second option. Next question is, if A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant A is equal to 5, then determinant A into adjoint A is. We know that determinant of A into A dash is equal to determinant of A into determinant of A dash. They have asked that we should find out A determinant of A into adjoint A. So we can compare these two equations, and we can write as determinant of A into determinant of adjoint A. Therefore determinant of A is 5 and adjoint A can be written as A inverse A power n minus 1. 5 into A power n. N is the order. Order is 3. So 3 power minus 1 is 2. Determinant A is equal to 5. Therefore 5 into 5 square, which is equal to 5 into 25, which is equal to 125. The answer is 125, that is B. Now 8th question. If vector A and vector B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between vector A and vector B, then sine of theta by 2 is. They have given that vector A and vector B are unit vectors, that is vector A is equal to B, vector B is equal to 1, unity. Now we have a formula that vector A minus vector B whole square is equal to vector A square plus vector B square minus 2 into vector A into vector B into cos of theta. Now vector A square plus B square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, minus 2 into A into B, that is 1 into 1, which is equal to 2 into cos theta. Now take 2 as common, so 2 into 1 minus cos theta. For 1 minus cos theta, we know that 2 sine square theta by 2. This is a trigonometric formula. We should by heart this. So 2 into sine square theta by 2, which is equal to vector A minus vector B whole square. Now 2 2 is a 4. Now send this 4 to the denominator of the left hand side. So vector A minus vector B whole square by 4 is equal to sine square theta by 2. Now A minus B whole square by 2 square. We can write 4 as 2 square. So here also we have square and 2 square. So take it as whole square, which is equal to sine square theta by 2. Now apply root on both the sides. Square cancels. So sine of theta by 2 is equal to vector A minus vector B by 2, which is in the third option. The ninth question is, if vector A cross vector B whole square plus vector A dot vector B square is equal to 144 and vector A is equal to 6, then vector B is equal to. Now we have a formula: vector A cross vector B whole square plus vector A dot vector B whole square is equal to vector A whole square into vector B whole square. Now comparing this equation with this equation, we get to know that vector A square into vector B square is equal to 144. They have given the value of vector A as 6. So 6 square which is equal to 36 into B square is equal to 144. B square is equal to 144 by 36. 144 by 36. B square is equal to 4. Now B is equal to 2. That is in the third option. The 10th question is, the value of cos of sin inverse pi by 3 plus cos inverse pi by 3 is. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So cos of sin inverse pi by 3 plus cos inverse pi by 3 becomes pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is cos 90, which is equal to 0. That is option A. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, send it to my email ID, which will be given in the description box. Also share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching.